Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you the location and how to replace the fog light bulb. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So we're going to take the undercarriage splash shield down that's attached to the bumper. 10mm socket. We're just going to go from one side, work our way over to the other. Once that's down, you can take the connector for the fog light, squeeze that tab, pull that down, grab your fog lamp bulb and turn it counterclockwise. And slide that right out. That's an H11 series. Make sure you don't touch the glass part of the bulb again on your new one. To install it, you're going to line up those 3 notches and then turn clockwise and lock it into place. Always double check over your electrical connector, make sure there's no burnt marks, it's not melted, the wires are not frayed. Looks good. Line up the connector, snap it into place. Put the shield part up underneath the bumper cover, lining up the actual mounting screws. All the way around.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.